Here I am using a 9 cm radius. You can choose any size, but keeping the proportion same is important. Now, without changing the center, draw another circle inside it with a radius of 8.5 centimeters. Next, draw a small circle with a radius of about 1.5 centimeters. Then, draw one more circle slightly bigger than the 1.5 cm circle. This will form the hub of the Ashoka Chakra. Now, our basic circles are ready.
Now, take a protractor and divide a circle into 4 equal parts by marking every 90 degree. Now, take a protractor and divide a circle into 8 equal parts by marking every 45 degree. After that, divide each 45 degree section into 3 equal parts. Each small division becomes 15 degree. When you finish, you will have 24 equal sections, which represent the 24 spokes of the Ashoka Chakra. Now use a ruler and draw straight lines from the center through every 15 degree mark. You should now see 24 equally spaced lines. Take your time while doing this because accurate division will make the chakra look neat and symmetrical.
Nearing center line, place 2 tiny guide dots, one on each side. Now we will make the spokes. Each spoke has a small width, so instead of using only the center line, we create 2 boundary lines. Repeat this process for all 24 spokes. Using these tiny dots, draw straight lines from the inner circle towards the outer ring. These lines should touch the boundary of the small inner circle and extend neatly towards the outer circle. Repeat this process for all 24 spokes. Work carefully and keep the spacing the same throughout. This is the most important part of drawing a clean and professional looking Ashoka Chakra.
Now look between every 2 spokes. Draw a smooth semicircular curve connecting them near the center. Repeat this around the entire circle. This small curve gives the Ashoka Chakra its beautiful traditional design. Make sure every curve is similar in size for a balanced appearance.
Once all the spokes and curves are complete, erase all the unwanted construction lines. Keep only the final outline. Now, darken the outline using a darker pencil or a black pen if you like. This will make the chakra look sharp and attractive.
Finally, color the Ashoka Chakra using deep navy blue color. First, color the outline carefully. Then fill the remaining area neatly without crossing the borders. And that's it. Your perfectly proportioned Ashoka Chakra is now complete.
I hope you found this tutorial easy and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more geometry drawings, math models and science projects. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!